In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or remove a difficult and stubborn footer or numbering on a PowerPoint template. This is an issue that many users face, especially when dealing with templates that seem to lock certain elements in place. If you've ever been frustrated with being unable to make those footers or slide numbers look the way you want, don't worry, I'm here to help walk you through it. First, let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, locate and open the presentation you want to work on. Make sure it's the correct file so you're not making changes to the wrong presentation. Now, take a look at the top of the PowerPoint window. You'll see multiple tabs up there. What you want to do is click on the View tab. This is where you'll find options that allow you to change how your slides are displayed and edited. Once you've clicked on the View tab, look for the Slide Master option and click on it. The Slide Master is your gateway to editing those stubborn elements that don't seem to want to change. Essentially, the Slide Master view controls the look and feel of your presentation. It allows you to make style changes to every slide in your presentation at once without having to edit each slide individually. This is particularly useful for editing footers or slide numbers that are proving difficult to adjust. In the Slide Master view, navigate to the first slide at the top of the slide panel on the left. This slide is often the overarching master slide that dictates how all the slides in your presentation look. By selecting it, you enable changes to apply throughout the entire presentation. Now comes the part where you can actually make changes to the footer or numbering. Find the text boxes or elements that correspond to the footer or slide numbers you wish to edit or remove. Click on them and you'll be able to delete them, move them, or edit the text as necessary. Feel free to customize these elements to better fit the style and requirements of your presentation. Once you're satisfied with your edits, or if you've simply decided to remove them, it's time to exit the Slide Master view. Simply click on Close Master View located in the menu bar. This will apply all your changes to the actual slides of your presentation and return you to the standard view mode. And there you have it. You've successfully edited or removed the footers and numbering from your PowerPoint presentation, making it cleaner and more suited to your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.